Are you tired of strict diets that leave you feeling hungry and frustrated? What if I told you that you could drop those extra pounds without starving yourself? In the next few minutes, I'm sharing 10 proven weight loss tips that really work. No harsh diets, no crazy restrictions. These are real, sustainable changes you can make starting today. Stay tuned, because tip number 7 is a game changer. Hey everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that's on a lot of our minds, losing weight. But here's the twist. We're not going to dive into any strict diets or crazy fads. Instead, I'm going to share 10 proven tips to help you shed those pounds fast while still enjoying your life. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about water. It's amazing how something so simple can have such a profound impact. Drinking enough water can boost your metabolism, help you feel fuller, and even reduce cravings. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and if plain water isn't your thing, try infusing it with fruits like lemon or berries. It's refreshing and keeps you hydrated. Next, let's discuss portion control. You don't have to banish your favorite foods. It's all about moderation. Try using smaller plates and bowls. This trick can make your portions look bigger and help you feel satisfied with less. It's a psychological game, but it works wonders. Now, let's move on to the power of protein. Incorporating more protein into your meals can help you feel fuller longer. Think lean meats, beans, legumes, or even Greek yogurt. Not only does protein keep you satisfied, but it also helps build muscle, which can boost your metabolism. So, don't shy away from those protein-packed meals. Speaking of meals, let's chat about meal prepping. I know, it sounds a bit overwhelming, but hear me out. Taking a few hours on the weekend to prepare your meals can save you time during the week and help you avoid those last-minute unhealthy choices. Chop up veggies, cook some grains, and portion out snacks. You'll thank yourself later. Now, let's touch on the importance of sleep. Yes, you heard me right. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and watch how your body responds. You'll feel more energized and ready to tackle your weight loss goals. Another tip is to stay active throughout the day. You don't have to hit the gym for hours. Just find ways to move more. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a walk during your lunch break, or even dance while you clean. Every little bit adds up, and it keeps your metabolism revved up. Let's not forget about the power of fiber. Foods high in fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, they're great for your digestive health. Try to include a source of fiber in every meal. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Now, I know snacking can be a slippery slope, but it doesn't have to be. Choose healthy snacks that are nutrient-dense. Think nuts, fruit, or yogurt. And remember, if you're feeling bored or stressed, try to differentiate between hunger and emotional eating. Sometimes, a quick walk or a few minutes of meditation can help. Lastly, let's talk about accountability. Share your goals with friends or family, or even find a buddy to join you on this journey. Having someone to support you can keep you motivated and on track. Celebrate your small victories together, and don't be afraid to lean on each other when times get tough. So, there you have it. 10 proven tips to lose weight fast without strict diets. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. You don't have to be perfect, just take it one step at a time. You've got this. Now go out there, implement these tips, and watch the transformation happen. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to hear about your journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.